If your Linkvertise looks like it's stuck in the past, you're a tech enthusiast in need of a digital rescue. First, let's tackle the basics. Check your internet connection. Restart your router or modem and see if other websites load fine. If not, you might have an internet issue. Next, let's dive into browser fixes. Clear your cache and cookies. Go to Settings, find Privacy and Security, and clear browsing data. Still stuck? Try disabling your browser extensions. Ad blockers often mess with Linkvertise. If it works, re-enable them one by one to find the culprit. Update your browser or switch to a different one. Sometimes an outdated browser is the issue. Lastly, for system-wide solutions, run a malware scan, restart your PC, and ensure your OS is up to date. Flushing your DNS cache can also help. Open Command Prompt, type, and hit Enter. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it. And if all else fails, contact Linkvertise support. That's it. Now you're ready to get Linkvertise back up and running.